Hello, today I wanted to share with you how to embed Google Forms into Schoology. Schoology is fabulous, but a lot of us have a lot of Google things that were already created and we're just wondering how to use them best inside of Schoology. Google Forms, great tool, totally usable inside of Schoology. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. One is going to be how to add a Google form as an external tool. This is the quicker of the two, but it does have a drawback in that you can't add any extra text or images inside of it. But to do this first way, I'm just going to first get my link. So I'm copying the link from my Google form. And then inside of Schoology, I'm going to click on Add Materials. Add File Link External Tool. We're using an external tool. We're going to paste in that URL that we copied from the Google form. I'm going to title it. You do have the option to enable grading if you are using this as a formative or summative assessment. And then submit. Again, very quick, very easy. Now let's look at what that looks like. And there's the form right inside of Schoology. The students would just answer the questions, hit submit. They don't have to click on anything. They're not going outside of Schoology. Everything is right there for them. If all of your directions are at the top of your Google form, you're good to go. There's really no reason to do any other way. Everything is right here for them. The second way to do this is to embed the form inside of a page, an assignment, or a discussion. So if this form were going to be a part of another assignment, a step in the assignment, if you were going to use it as a part of a discussion board, if you wanted to add the directions inside of Schoology and be able to give other information, it's going to change how we do this a little bit. So I'm still going to click send. This time I'm going to go to these two little brackets, which is going to give me an HTML embed code. Just copying that. You don't have to understand what all of it means. You just need to copy it. And then inside of Schoology, this time I'm going to add it inside of a page. You could do this as an assignment, a page, or as a discussion. I'm going to just choose as a page. The steps are the same regardless of which of those three you would use though. Now we're going to come down here to the very end of the box and click the two little dots that switch it to HTML. That's going to accept that code that I just entered. So I'm just going to paste that in. And then I'm moving my cursor 2 down. If I click back to switch to visual, my code is in there. This is the box that my Google form is in, and I can add more information above or below that. Okay, so I added a little extra information. And then I can choose to either display this on a new page or to display it right in line. That's up to you. I can show you both ways. So right now it's just displaying on a new page. All right, there's the page. When I click on it, here's my additional information and the Google form. And then all right inside of Schoology. We could also have this display inline, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is a great way if this is just a quick pre-assessment and you want the students, as soon as they come on, to see this pre-assessment. The directions are here at the top. And then the Google form shows right in line. This does have to upload, so the more information in the Google form, sometimes it takes a little longer to load. And that's how you embed a Google form into Schoology.